welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. For today's video, I'm gonna show to you guys my updated skincare routine and of course the products that I've been using. And actually, I showed you guys my nighttime skincare routine in this video using Tallo products. And yes, we will be using Tallo products again in this video. These are the products that I use for more than 4 months now. And I'm really happy with it. And look, 4 months, but I still have this much left. But this one, it's empty already, so I bought another one and I'm gonna show you guys later. We will be adding 2 more products in the Tallo line. So they have a toner now, a moisture pad, and of course the serum and the calming cream. So let's start. Okay, just a quick overview about the Tallo line. What I really like most about the product is the ingredients, of course, because every time I use a product, I always check the ingredients first. I don't usually go with the hype because what if the ingredient is not nice in that product and it may damage my skin. The 2 new products that I will be introducing, I have used them for more than a month now. That's why I made this video. So I'm very particular about the ingredients, and the ingredients of the Tallo line is extracted from nature. It is hypoallergenic and the formula is vegan, so there are no harmful chemicals that is used in the product. On top of that, their packaging is eco-friendly, which is a really plus for the seller. Okay, so this Tallo line is based on sweetie. So this is an ingredient that would clear up rough skin texture, and it whitens or soothes your skin, and it clears up dull skin. So that ingredient has gone through 3 steps in order for the product to contain a fresh sweetie. So that's it. And again, as mentioned in my previous video, it has passed 6 human application tests. I'm just gonna put the 6 tests here. So yeah, as mentioned before, I am really particular with the ingredient, right? So I ran each ingredients in the decoder. So a little background if ever you haven't seen my previous video. So in the Shopee listing, I'm gonna check through the description and then I'm gonna copy all the ingredients, and then I'm gonna go to the decoder website. I'm not sure if that is how you pronounce it, but then you're just gonna paste the ingredients there and just click analyze. And then after that, it will show all the ingredients that you need to know about the product. So now let's move on to the 4 products of the Tallo line. Okay, so for our first product, this is the toner. It is called the Sweetie Essence in Toner. So this is what you will use after you cleanse your face. It is very hydrating and it does not feel sticky. So stay until the end so that you will know how I apply these products in my updated nighttime skincare routine. So this toner contains 72% sweetie extract and it has passed the sensitive skin compatibility test. And I want to let you guys know that when I introduce these products in my skin, I did not experience any breakouts at all, so that is a good thing. Okay, so with this one, when I search in the decoder, it is alcohol free and the main ingredient is niacinamide. Actually, niacinamide, it is present to all these ingredients, and if you guys are not aware what niacinamide is, it has a lot of benefits like anti-aging, skin lightening or brightening, and then barrier repair functions, anti-acne, and this might be useful also if you have dermatitis because it has an anti-inflammatory property. So there are a lot of benefits about niacinamide. If you want to search more on the benefit, I'm gonna link some article below. This is the moisture pad. It is actually my first time to own this product and it's pretty nice. Like when you open it, there's a plastic inside and you will see a clip and this cover over here so that you know the serum will not spill. And this clip, it's really a plus for them because it is more hygienic when you get the pad instead of using your hands only. So with this one, it is very moisturizing, and the highlight of this is that it is alcohol free and fragrance and essential oil free. So that is really a nice thing. Like, I think most of the products are like that. And again, the key ingredient here is niacinamide, which is for anti-acne and everything as mentioned before. And of course, you know, the moisturizer, it has hyaluronic acid, which is a bit familiar to you guys. And with this one, I really use it like here on my cheeks, like everywhere. Take note that when applying a skincare, don't forget to include your neck also and apply it upwards. So I'm gonna show you guys later on how I do it. Alright, so the next product, you might be familiar with this. So this is what I used, right? And I have another one because it's almost finished. So I'm really grateful. I have another stock for this because this is really what helped lighten my acne scars here. And this is a blemish serum. So this is the box, right? So in the box, there are two products already. So this cream, the calming cream, and the serum. But you have to put the serum first before the cream, okay? And you know, with this serum, it does not feel sticky at all. Like it absorbs quickly when you apply it. And again, niacinamide. The main ingredient is niacinamide. And I mentioned all the ingredients again before on the previous videos. So if you want a video that is focused on these two, you can also watch that other video after watching this video. Okay, the last product is the calming cream. So this one, it helps calm your irritated skin and it is suitable for all skin types. So I have an oily skin, but it is still important to use a moisturizer to, you know, to nourish our skin barrier and all that. And the pH of this is 5.9, so it has that perfect balance of water and oil. And yes, this one is fragrance and essential oil free. They have this bigger size because, you know, what if you still have a serum? So I also have this one because the calming cream finishes first, then the serum. Well, maybe it depends on how you use it, but you know, I really try my best to not waste any product because, you know, it really what helped improve my skin. Like for me, before I make any video, I test it myself first because I don't want to put out any video out there without testing it first and without researching about the ingredients. So yeah, if you guys are curious on the order of the products, yes, you can use all four. Like I use it every night. So after washing your face, use toner, and then after the toner, use the moisture pad, this one. After this, use the serum, and then after that, the calming cream. This is the last step of your routine. So yeah, let's move on now to my nighttime skincare routine. Hi everyone! So now I will share to you guys my updated nighttime skincare routine. So I just put my hair back behind my ears so that it will not get in my face. And before I start, I want to let you guys know that I double cleansed or prep my face already. So let's start with my skincare. Okay, first is the Essence Toner, and look at the packaging, very minimalist, and yes, it is glass. What I usually do is that I put 4 to 6 drops of the product directly on my hand, not in a cotton pad, so that I will not waste any product at all. And I believe this method would really absorb the product more, so I will then spread it all over my face and then I gently pat it. And of course, don't forget your neck too. Next is this moisture pad. So when you open it, there is a clip, and I commend them for including this in the packaging so that it is more hygienic, and they have a very tight cover too so that the serum inside will not spill. So this is how thin the cotton pad is, and take note that I have used this for more than 30 days already and I still have this much of cotton pads. So I start spreading it all over my face again in an upwards motion, and I really like how it is so hydrating, and in one cotton pad there is a lot of product. So I even included my neck and my back and put it on my elbows as well because again, I don't want to waste any product. Okay, and the third step is this blemish serum, and you guys know this is my favorite since this really helped lighten up my acne scars. So I just spread it all over my face to even everything out, and I like how my skin easily absorbs this product and gives my skin that extra plump too. And after spreading it all over, I just pat it gently again, and then there you go. On to our last product, which is the calming cream, and this sets everything, and this is a gel type. So with this amount of product, it is enough for my whole face already, and I really like the texture of this. And you know, the same procedure when applying, make sure to apply in upwards motion, and don't forget the neck. Again, don't forget the neck. And look at that instant glow, and trust me, when you wake up in the morning, your face will feel so soft. So that is my updated nighttime skincare routine, and if you want to avail these products like the toner, the moisture pad, the serum, and the calming cream, you can order through Shopee. And yes, of course, I will put all the links in the description box below. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. See you on my next video. Bye!